here at CanadaBlooms 2018, and this is our movie. Our movie is about getting outside, putting the phone away, turning off all the devices, turning the TV off, and coming out and enjoying nature. Imagine sitting on your deck with a glass of wine, maybe a good book, and certainly the company of a loved one. Water features have been around forever. When you go on vacation, you'd like to go by the water. When you go hiking, you go and look for a river. We are naturally drawn to water. And that's why this is what will help you to relax and make you enjoy what Mother Nature has provided. Just watching the fish is incredibly soothing. The sounds and the sights of the waterfall. We do our best to recreate this, but Mother Nature has given us the template for this. This is what we call an ecosystem pond. It's designed to be self-sufficient, following nature's ecosystem. The fish, the plants, the rocks, they all provide an integral part of the filtration. And it's designed to be so that you don't have to do a lot of work. Yes, there are a couple of filters built within the feature itself, but the amount of work required is next to nothing. It is designed to mimic and recreate what Mother Nature does on her own. The soothing sounds of the waterfall, just the babbling brook that you hear. This is all peaceful and tranquil and will make you just want to sit here and let the cares of the world go by. This year at CanadaBlooms, we thought we'd try something a little unique. Each one of our main construction gentlemen were tasked with coming up with a feature that best exemplified what they think of water features. Mike, for example, took a wine barrel and drilled some holes in the wine bottles, and there's water flowing out of it. Daniel, he just recreated the theme and a little board that says, "This is our movie." And Gord took 3 natural logs, put a hole in the middle, and had water bubbling out of them. These are the unique features that we create and the talents that our guys have when they're building these water features for our individual clients. Water of any size, any shape, it's soothing, it's relaxing. It helps you to let all the cares of the world go away and to sit back and just enjoy. You might not have a large space. This type of water feature is perfect for those type of spaces. If you have a larger space, you can build a pond. It could be even as big as something that you swim or skate on. There are water features for every size and every budget.